10 DIY filmmaking tips for beginners. Know what story you are telling and why. Can you reduce your film idea into one sentence? Make a list of every shot you want in the film. That way you'll save time when you're filming and you'll avoid missing something important. The more you plan, the easier the shoot day is going to be. Think about what order you're going to shoot in and how long it's all going to take. Find a cool space or make a space cool. Props, costumes and set can come from your house, your friend's house, your auntie's house, your school. Make sure we can see your character's eyes. This will help the audience engage with your characters. Unless you want a shaky handheld vibe, put your camera on something stable to give it a more professional look. If you're using sound from your camera to record someone, make sure the microphone is close enough to be able to hear them. Make sure you get permission for locations, music and people. You need to get this in writing too, so use release forms. Your crew will work better if they're well fed and hydrated. And make sure to take breaks. Give it a go. Happy filmmaking.